Hello everyone. In this video, I'm demonstrating a real MongoDB memory leak vulnerability, commonly known as MongoBleed, executed entirely on my own local system. This is a control lab setup, no external targets, no unauthorized access. What you're about to see is live memory being leaked directly from a MongoDB server without authentication. And that's what makes this vulnerability extremely dangerous. Right now, I have a MongoDB instance running locally on my system. The database is listening on its default port. No login, no database credentials involved in this test. The server is running a vulnerable MongoDB version where compression is enabled. This setup mirrors many real-world misconfigured deployments. Now I'm launching the exploit script against localhost. The script connects to the MongoDB service just like a normal client would. But instead of sending valid database queries, it sends specially crafted compressed requests. At this point, nothing unusual appears on the server logs. But internally, something very wrong is happening. Here's the critical part. The exploit lies about how large the decompressed data will be. MongoDB trusts that number. So it allocates a large chunk of memory, but only a small part of it actually gets written. The remaining memory contains leftover data from the server's memory space. MongoDB then sends that entire buffer back to the client, which means raw server memory is now leaking over the network. Now look at the output. You can see random binary data, fragments, and readable strings. This data is not part of any database response. This is uninitialized memory taken directly from the MongoDB process. Depending on timing and memory layout, this can include credentials, internal configuration, query data, and environment variables, all without authentication. This is a pre-authentication memory disclosure. Firewalls, passwords, and auth doesn't stop it. If MongoDB is reachable and vulnerable, memory can be extracted remotely. In real environments, this can be chained into credential recovery, lateral movement, and full infrastructure compromise. This is why MongoBleed is considered critical severity. This demonstration was done only on my own system for educational and defensive research purposes. If you run MongoDB in production, update immediately, restrict network access, and disable compression if not required. Memory bugs like this don't announce themselves. They silently leak everything. That's the MongoBleed exploit, live, local, and very real. Stay safe and test responsibly. I'll see you in the next.